Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope all are very fine. I am here, your science teacher, Varsha ma'am, and today I am going to explain chapter 12, that is light and shadow. Do you know, students, we all are able to see things around us just because of light. So let's learn about chapter 12, that is light and shadow. First of all, we must know what is the light. If you walk into a completely dark room, you will not be able to see any things around us because there is no light into the room. But if you light a candle, you will able to see the things around you. So we can say that light help us to see things around us. So light is a forms of energy that help us to see things around us. So what is the light? लाइट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. ये क्या है? एक एनर्जी का फॉर्म है जिसकी वजह से हम हमारे आजू बाजू में जो थिंग्स है उसको देख सकते हैं. देन light is a form of energy that helps us to see things around us and receive light from the source of light, that is the sun, candle, bulb, tube light, etc. Now let's talk about material and light. Different materials allow different amounts of light to pass through them. Materials can be grouped on the amount of light they allow to pass through them. Materials can be classified as transparent, translucent and opaque. Which are the three types of material? Transparent, translucent and opaque. Let's do one thing. Take a clear glass and look through it. You will able to see things clearly through it as it allows light to pass through. So we can say that materials that allow all the light to pass through them are called transparent material. For example, clear glass, clean water and some kind of plastic. You can see here some transparent material. Now take a thin sheet of paper or butter paper and look through it. You will be see things but not as clearly as through clear glass. This is because of sheet of paper allows only some amount of light pass through it. So we can say that material that allows some amount of light to pass through them are called translucent material. For example, color glass, dirty water and sheet of paper rubbed with oil. These are the example of translucent material. You can see in this picture some example of translucent material. Take one paper and rub with oil. You will able to see things from it but not clearly. So it is a translucent material. Take your notebook and look through it. At a far away object, you will unable to see things through notebook as it does not allow any light to pass through it. अगर हम नोटबुक रख के कोई बीच में नोटबुक अगर रखते हैं और कोई ऑब्जेक्ट को देखते हैं तो हमको कुछ दिखाई देता है क्या? नहीं. मटेरियल दैट कंप्लीटली ब्लॉक्स लाइट आर कॉल्ड ओपेक material. For example, mud, wood and mirror, a glass coated with metal film on one surface, you can't see the things. Now let's revise transparent, translucent and opaque. Material that allows clearly all the light pass through. Clear window glass is an example of transparent material. Then second, translucent, material that allows some little light to pass through. Example, frosted glass, tissue paper. These are the example of translucent material. Then material that do not allow any light to. These are the opaque material. Example, wood and metal. Now next given, we can see three glasses. One is transparent, another is translucent, and one is opaque. This is the first one is the transparent, second one is the translucent, and third one is the opaque material. Here, see picture of giraffe from different material. If you are clearly looking from transparent material, you can see clear image. If you are looking through the translucent material, that is not a clear image. And if you are looking opaque material, from opaque material, you can't see anything. Now, let's discuss about the luminous object. Objects that give out light are called luminous object. जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइट देता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? लुमिनियस ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सन, स्टार, कैंडल लाइट, बल्ब एक्सेट्रा. Objects that do not gives out light are called non-luminous object. जो ऑब्जेक्ट हमें लाइट नहीं देता है उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? non-luminous object, like notebook, wall, table and chair. Here some more example of non-luminous object. Now we will solve the textual exercise. You have to solve the following into the correct column. We have to solve luminous and non-luminous object. First of all, luminous object. The candle light is a luminous object and book is a non-luminous object. Then ball is a non-luminous object. Star is a luminous object. Then next, light bulb is a luminous object and wall is a non-luminous object. Carpet is a non-luminous object. Glass is a non-luminous object. Tube light is a luminous object and firefly is the luminous object. So students, hope you understood it very well. For better understanding, you have to watch the video again and again, and remaining part of the lesson I will explain in the next period. Thank you.